Hello! You're watching the Data Drop brought to you by Unify. My name's Jeff Jones. I'm a senior data architect here at Unify, and today we're going to be talking about Agent Bricks. So imagine this, your team are proposing to build an AI agent to help extract information from contracts or to process customer inquiries that are inbound, and they are talking a lot about Agent Bricks within Databricks. What is Agent Bricks and why should you care? Agent Bricks is Databricks' tool that allows you to build AI agents customized specifically to your business's data. You can kind of think of it like hiring a consultant who will test, deploy, and evaluate hundreds of different models and training sets all in one go, overnight whilst you sleep, and deploy the very best from all of those iterations, and will also continue to improve on what they've deployed over time, all whilst you're off doing something else. Here's how it works. You describe to Agent Bricks what it is you want it to do. You connect it to your business's data. Agent Bricks then automatically generates test data that looks realistic and exactly like your business's data, and it tries hundreds of different ways to improve the AI, and it generates quality scorecards based on your business's needs. For your business, this means much better AI agents at significantly less cost. Where you would pay thousands of pounds per month for an off-the-shelf AI system that may not quite meet your needs, Agent Bricks develops and delivers a specific tailor-made AI agent specifically for your needs at a fraction of the cost. Without Agent Bricks, your team might spend months and months and months iterating on prompts, test data, models, all of these different variables without necessarily knowing if they'll ever arrive at an optimal solution. But with Agent Bricks, all this is handled automatically, and you can tweak it and fine-tune it as it gets better and better. And it's not a one-shot and done thing either. Once it's up and running, Agent Bricks is constantly reevaluating its output, receiving input from users and subject matter experts in order to constantly tweak it and make those agents better and more tailored to your needs as a business. This is also particularly cool because everything's done locally within Databricks. You're not shipping business data out to a third-party LLM unless you want to, but you can host foundational models within Databricks so you retain sovereignty of that data. We've worked with a business that deals a lot in NDA contracts from lots of different places all over the globe, and we used Agent Bricks to evaluate different models and different prompts to get consistent results when it came to extracting knowledge from those NDAs and consolidating them into a standardized data set. Something that Agent Bricks is particularly excellent at is knowledge extraction from unstructured data such as PDFs. And this can become really critical when you're building an AI solution for knowledge assistance, document processing, or custom workflows, and you're evaluating whether an off-the-shelf solution versus a custom-built solution is the right way forward for you. So a question that you can ask your team is, are we manually processing all these different LLMs, prompt variations, test sets, or do we have an automated process by which all this can be done and optimized? If not, Agent Bricks is something I would seriously consider for your business. Hope that's been useful for you. As ever, we've got great content on LinkedIn. Check us out on there. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you then.